Today I will explain a little about Airflow dependencies. Second part. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. In this case we have 4 tasks. Now, before I explain it about the symbols in the chain function. Today I will explain about the symbols and set upstream and set downstream functions. So to declare task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. You can do using the symbols, but in reverse order. These two ways are equivalent, but it is generally easy to use this one. You can also declare dependencies using the set upstream and set downstream. For example, using set upstream, we have the task number 1, task number 2, and then we set upstream task number 1. Then task number 3, set upstream task number 1. These two lines, we declare that task 2 and task 3 need to be run after task 1. Then task 4 need to be run after task 3 and task 2. So in this case it will be something like this. Task 4 have upstream dependency in task 3 and task 2. This is upstream, this is downstream. So another way to declare this, it is using the function set downstream. So it will be task 1 set downstream task 2 and then task 3. Then task 2 will have downstream task 4 and then task 3 also will have downstream task 4. So task 1 have downstream task 2 and task 3. This will be equivalent. This is task 1, this is downstream 2 and downstream 3. Then we have task 2 and task 3. We'll have downstream task 4. This is downstream, this direction. So, but in general is a lot easier to use just these symbols. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment.